Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how I do this really gorgeous butterfly locks you see in this video. It's very easy. I will take you guys step by step, so make sure you stay tuned and watch till the end. Even though this was my first time doing the butterfly locks, they still came out looking really gorgeous. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So the hair I'll be using for this video is a Freetress water wave hair. And I got about 7 packs of hair and I used about 6.5 for her whole head size. So the first step is you're gonna braid the hair. I didn't really add extension because it still comes out perfect without using extra extensions. So yeah. So as you can see in the video, I took 2 strands of the hair and I'm just running my fingers through it before I start, using it to do the hairstyle. So when you're done with that, you're gonna take your crochet needle, make sure the latch is closed, and then you're gonna put it under the braid. Then you're gonna open the latch, and then you're gonna hook the hair on the latch and pull it through. So after you pull the hair through, this is where you decide how long you want the locks to be. And when you decide that, you're gonna hold the shorter part with the person's natural hair and take the longer part and start wrapping. And when you start wrapping, you wanna just wrap close together and tighter. And then what I did in this instance is when it got to the part where her hair stopped, I started doing the method with my finger you're gonna see shortly, where I start twisting looser, and I put my thumb in the middle just to make it give it a more like distressed look, if you get what I mean. But you're gonna see much more examples moving forward in this video. This is just a test trial lock I did, but so when you get to your desired length, all you're gonna do, you're gonna flip the hair over and wrap tightly. At least the first 3 wraps have to be really tight, and then you can start wrapping regularly and go all the way up till the whole hair is vanished. Some people use hair glue to secure it, but you really don't need to. I didn't use hair glue and they stayed the whole time, so yeah. I just wanted to add that the first one you're gonna do is not gonna be your best, but the more you keep doing it, you're gonna see it gets better. Like after the first 2 or 3, I feel like I got the hang of it and it just came out looking better. But this is the first one, y'all, so bear with me. I just wanted to take you guys through the whole process and show you guys, what it's like. I actually came back later on to redo that one you just saw me do right there because I felt like, I just wanted it to look a little bit more uniform with the rest. But yeah. So I'm using this 360 style hair pomade. It really helps, grip shorter hair and gives a really smooth finish. So what I decided to do was just go ahead and braid her whole head and then start the whole crochet and wrapping process after. So I did about 60 braids throughout her head, and you really don't have to do that much because honestly this hair can get really heavy, and I wish I didn't do that much. I think next time I definitely would have done way less, but because she had a shorter hair, I felt like maybe doing it smaller might make it fuller and stuff, but this hair gets full regardless because it's thick, it's chunky, it falls in place really nicely. So yeah, you don't have to go overboard like I did. So now I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and redo that first lock that I did initially, like I told you guys I was gonna do. I was just doing it because I wanted it to be the same length as the other one, and also to make it a little bit more tighter because it was kind of thicker, bulgy looking at the end. So yeah, I'm gonna use the same method, but just make it a little bit more cleaner this time. So after pulling your hair through, you're gonna go ahead and start wrapping. Make sure you wrap tightly at the beginning stages. And then after I was done, or after I got to the part where her hair stopped, I start using my thumb to make it a little bit more messy. You're gonna see it a little closer up as you move forward in this video, but as you can see in the video, I'm just literally just wrapping loosely around my thumb, and it's just creating this distressed look, and that's the look we're going for. So when you get to the end, we're gonna do the flip over method. And the first time I just flip it over without doing this rapid method I did right now. Try to do it, put it into one strand before you flip it over. It kind of makes it like sit tighter. So now I'm wrapping, tightly, and then now I'm gonna just wrap regularly as I go up. So that was the key. That was what I was missing the first time. The first time I just flipped it over and I wrapped it, so it wasn't secured. But this time around, you just, whatever loose end is left, you twist it into one strand and flip it over and then do it. So I'm going to do this a little bit more up close. So you get your 2 strands of hair. You're going to run your fingers through it. So this 2 I have in my hand already. I already ran my fingers through it. And now I'm going to take my crochet needle and put it under the braid. Open it and pull the hair through. And then pull out the hair. And then when I get to my desired length, I'm going to use the longer part and start wrapping. So when I get to about where her hair stops, then I start doing the thumb method, whereby I just wrap it around my thumb just loosely. There's no technique to this. This is just try and error. It's just you just put your thumb in the way and wrap around it like 2 or 3 times, take it out and keep doing it till you get to the end. So when you get to your desired length, I kind of use the ones I've done before to measure where I need to stop. Then you do that method I told you. Make sure you twist it into one strand and then you flip it over and start wrapping up. Make sure the first few wraps are tight, and then you can start wrapping regularly until the whole hair is done. So this video was actually really long. I did my best to keep it under 15 minutes. But if you're someone who's been admiring this hairstyle but you're scared to try because you don't know if it's gonna come out right, I'm here to tell you that take that bold step and go try it. This was my first time. I was actually very impressed by the way it came out. So don't be scared. Get your crochet needle, get the hair, and sit in front of a mirror and try this hairstyle, and you will love it. She got so much compliments. In fact, I have people calling me, asking me when I can do theirs for them. And y'all, this hair is gorgeous. So before I officially end this video, I just want to give a very big shout out to this model you see on the screen. She's also on YouTube, guys, so please go check her out. She's one of my really good friends, and I want you guys to stay tuned for my next videos coming up. Bye. Make sure you're subscribed. Thumbs this video up and leave comments down below about any questions, any requests you have. All right, toodles.